Storms, that's where we're waiting to see if those do materialize. 67 overnight, pretty warm. 30% chance for rain and storms after 1 a.m. Winds are going to pick up a little bit. They're going to be gusting to 25 miles an hour out of the south, shifting to the west tomorrow, gusting to 30 miles an hour. 85 for a high temperature and 20% chance for rain and storms before 1 o'clock, and then the sun's going to come out and take over. We'll start with some clouds, but sunny before the day is over. 65 tonight through the heartland, a 40% chance for rain and storms after 1 a.m. and then tomorrow about the same, a 40% chance for rain and storms until 1 p.m. because of the geographic proximity of those storms. That front moves to the east. All of our eastern counties will have that 40% chance. 87 for a high temperature tomorrow. We're going to see some nice days ahead. 87, as we mentioned, for the heartland, 85 for most of us tomorrow with that 20% chance for rain and storms through the morning hours. 80s for the rest of the week. We get into Saturday.